I'm ill. Very, very ill. So I apologise already about my voice in this video, but we are fitting some nice new badges to Abby's car. A lot of the videos now are going to be on Abby's car. There is some stuff happening with my car at the minute, the Focus, but we'll get videos of that once it's done. But today we're going to be changing over the two badges, the front and the rear badges, on the Scirocco. So we've gone for the gloss black. £30 from, where were they from?
eBay.
£30 from eBay. We could have gone with a spraying option, but for £30 we might as well just get some nice looking ones. And I would probably make a mess of it if I sprayed them, because I'm not very good at spraying. Oh god, I feel ill. Right, so now we're going to go to the car, get the old badges off, get it cleaned up. I'll show you what I'm using for that. Yeah, so we're going to be using the Surgical Spirits. I know it's not for cars, but it cleans everything, and you normally use it before you put plasters and stuff on, because it absolutely decontaminates everything. So that's what we're going to use. So if you want to comment saying it's not right, go ahead, I don't care. That's what we're using. Oh, not good. Yeah, so as you can see, we have these chrome ones. It's not even on straight, it's like, that is wonky as hell. Oh wow, I literally just grabbed it and it fell off. Yeah, hopefully the new one don't fall off like that, but that was, yeah, not very sticky. Yeah, so looking at the quality, they're both plastic, flimsy VW badges. They look exactly the same, but I think the black one 100% looks better. So we're going to go ahead now and get this one, I'll get that cleaned up, and then get this stuck on. Oh, this stuff proper stinks. If it takes your paint off, I'm very sorry, but it shouldn't. Normally the sticky pads on stuff like this are not very good, so I'm hoping this will stick nice. Feels quite sticky. What we're going to do, we're going to stick it down, and then I'm going to put tape over it to hold it down, probably for a couple of hours, and then I'll come out and take it off. I don't have very much room here, I can't really bend down. You excited, Abby?
Yeah.
Sorry man, I sat in the car. That's straight. Oh yeah, that's straight. That looks well better, doesn't it? I can tell already. Yeah, them sticky pads are not very good. This is going to have to hold it down. Right, so we use the tape just to hold the badge in place. We'll let that settle now. Leave it there for an hour just so it proper adheres to it. And then we'll get on with the back one now. I don't think this is how you do it, surely. Oh, watch the paint work. Oh yeah, there we are, pop one. Right, so the way to get this back one off, and I ain't gonna lie, I don't think you can get it off without breaking it. It's clipped into these holes around here. You gotta lever it off. Leaving it off, well, I broke it. But Abby doesn't want that back on, so that one can go in the bin. We'll keep the front one because that wasn't damaged, but the back one is broke. So I don't know if it's possible to get it off without breaking it. It probably is, but I'm a butcher. Right, so the badge is now on. It takes a bit of force to get it on, but it will go on. For £30, would I say it's a good modification? I'd say it's quite dear for 30 quid, but it does make a difference. Abby, are you happy with your black badges?
Yeah.
Now, personally, I think we take these off. In the comments, Abby seems to think we keep them, but I personally do not like these with that. Maybe keep the TSI, take the Scirocco away. So just put down in the comments what you think, but I definitely think they should go. So that's the black badges done. We're just going to take the tape off in a minute. It's been about half hour now, so we'll take the tape off in a minute. But for the next modification, I think we're going to do a rear wiper delete. Maybe find a kit. If not, we're going to do a Max and Design spoiler extension. That'll be one of the next. So we'll just go to the front and take this off, then we'll give you an overall look. Yeah, so as you can see now, we have the black badges, and personally I think they look 10 times better. They go with the grille nicely. So yeah, the grille is possibly something we're going to change in the future. I've seen some nice ones on the internet, but I don't know, it looks kind of cool like this. I'm not sure if that is standard, to be honest. It probably is because it matches the grille down here. But yeah, definitely goes better with this. So we're going to do a bit of a dark out, maybe get the headlights tinted as well. I've got a good friend Levi who would sort that out. Yeah, but we're just going to work our way up slowly and do some, like I said, small modifications, and then work our way up to obviously the bigger things, exhaust and stuff. But that will be in time. And maybe a nice wrap, maybe Levi will wrap this for you, a nice colour. Yeah, so we'll end the video there, guys. I hope you like it. I'll just give you a quick tour now before I end the video. Yeah, so as you can see now, they're now black. Looks 10 times better than them shitty chrome ones. We'll just go to the back. Again, nice black badge there now. Yeah, so put in the comments what you think. Should we take these off? Because I don't personally like them with the black, and I think it'll make the back look cleaner without them. Yeah, so we're gonna maybe get them off. Comment what you think. Right, guys, so that is the badges installed now. I'm just going to clean up. Luckily this job there's not much to clean up. I literally just got this. So I'll do a little talk about the Focus now. We'll go into the garage and we'll talk about it. As you can see here, most of the interior is just thrown in my garage. It's going to be going back in because I took it out thinking, oh, it makes it lighter, but you can hear everything, every single stone you can hear, so it's going back in because it's driving me mad. Let's chuck that in there. Right, so talking about the Focus, it's gone in for some work. I'm not going to say what it is now. When I do the video of the first drive, I'll tell you about it then. So maybe next week's video will be on the Focus most likely, and then we'll do. I actually haven't done a drive out in it yet, so you haven't actually seen it going. But yeah, it's gonna be quick, shall we say? But we'll just do a video on it as soon as it comes out. Are you excited, Abby? Yeah, she'll be excited. She'll be shitting herself. She shits herself now, so God help her. Yeah, so guys, we'll end the video there. Please give the video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed watching us change the badges. Very simple modification, and it does change the look dramatically. And she has been on my case to get that job done, so it's done. So now we can get on to the next one. But if you've enjoyed, please subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.